So I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs scale past seven figures, and majority of them past multiple seven figures. I've helped countless, I wouldn't even know how many, go from 100,000, 200,000 a year to $500,000 a year. One of the biggest issues, but one of the biggest problems that's always occurred, the math has never worked out. People have had to spend way too much money being able to get mentorship. And quite simply, there's only one of me. And I've never built a business that's based on coaches or those types of things. I don't really believe that that works. I believe what somebody really needs is to be able to understand what the strategy is and then to be able to have the help to be able to implement, whether it's on implementing the strategic side, the tactical side, or the mindset and energetic side. So I built Online Business Accelerator to bridge that gap. And because of what I've done with artificial intelligence over the last couple of years, I can do what used to take 10 hours in about 10 minutes. And I can help you implement in what used to take 90 days, it takes a couple of days. So Online Business Accelerator is everything that I've spent the last decade doing, but the fastest way to be able to do it in a way that makes it so that almost any entrepreneur that has momentum, whether you're a coach or a consultant, a course creator, a service provider, an expert, personal brand, you're able to take what is proven, methodologies and frameworks that are proven, that just don't work one way or the highway, but it's built around you and allows me just that little moment of time with you to make sure that you're going the right direction. That's based upon thousands of businesses that have done it and that have scaled successfully before you, that you're able to take what worked, understand what didn't, and then apply it to you and your own business. All the details for Online Business Accelerator are either at the link or below, and I'm really excited to help mentor you to the next step in both your life as well as your business.